something big is brewing inside Samsung's labs, and it's not just another routine software update. The next major upgrade, One UI 9, has quietly entered development, and the leaks coming out right now are giving us our first real clues about what's coming. From the eligible Galaxy phones to the models that might be left behind, things are already getting interesting. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates just like this. Now, let's dive in because this One UI 9 story is shaping up to be one of Samsung's biggest yet. So here's the deal. Samsung's development teams have officially started working on One UI 9, and the confirmation didn't come from any announcement or event. It came from a leaked internal software build. That single leak was enough to send the Galaxy community into a frenzy because it proves that One UI 9 is not just a rumor anymore. It's real, and it's already in motion. Now, this is where it gets even more exciting. One UI 9 won't be built on Android 16 like the current One UI 8 series. This one's taking things to the next level. It's expected to launch alongside Android 17, which means Samsung is about to introduce a brand new generation of design, performance, and AI capabilities across its Galaxy lineup. But the big question everyone's asking right now is simple. Will your phone get the One UI 9 update? The answer depends entirely on Samsung's update roadmap. Unlike a few years ago, Samsung now offers some of the longest software support in the Android world. Flagship phones like the Galaxy S23, S24, and S25 series are all promised 7 years of Android and security updates. That's Apple-level longevity. And yes, that makes them safe bets for One UI 9. For older flagships, the story is still pretty strong. The Galaxy S22 series, which launched in 2022, will also make the cut. These devices are still powerful enough to handle Android 17 and the deeper AI system integration Samsung is reportedly planning. Mid-range devices like the Galaxy A35, A36, A25, and A26 are also likely to be included since they're still within their official support window. And don't worry, foldable fans, Samsung isn't forgetting you either. The Galaxy Z Fold 5, Fold 6, and the upcoming Fold 7, along with the Flip 5, Flip 6, and Flip 7, are all expected to be part of the One UI 9 rollout. Even the Galaxy Tab S9 lineup and the new Tab S10 series should be ready for the upgrade, giving tablets that same next-gen Galaxy experience. Now, while eligibility sounds exciting, there's something even more interesting about what One UI 9 could actually bring. Sources close to Samsung's development teams have hinted that the company is working on deeper Gemini AI integration across all devices. This means you could see a smarter lock screen, AI-based photo editing that feels more natural, and even predictive controls that adapt to how you use your device every day. It's like your Galaxy finally learning your habits, not just following commands. And the visuals, that's another area where One UI 9 is rumored to step up big time. Samsung is apparently polishing the entire interface to feel more fluid and minimal. Expect smoother transitions, bolder icons, and more customizable home screen setups. Small details like dynamic animations and real-time system feedback might make One UI 9 feel faster and more immersive than ever before. Now, here's where things get a little uncertain. While most new Galaxy models will get the update early, rollout timing can vary depending on the region and carrier. Historically, Samsung pushes updates to its flagship S series and foldables first, followed by the A series and tablets a few weeks later. So, depending on where you live, the stable version of One UI 9 could reach your device sooner or a little later. But based on how things are progressing, we might see the first public beta by mid-2026. That means development is already ramping up quietly behind the scenes. And if Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, expect the stable One UI 9 release to roll out shortly after the next Galaxy S launch, possibly alongside the Galaxy S26 lineup. Here's something to keep in mind though. Samsung's massive ecosystem of devices means not every model will make the jump. Older mid-range phones or budget devices outside their official support cycle, like the Galaxy A14 or older M series models, are unlikely to receive One UI 9. Still, Samsung's recent policy changes suggest they could extend support further in the future, something fans have been asking for years. And that's what makes this update so important. One UI 9 isn't just another Android skin refresh. It's the software that could mark the beginning of Samsung's next AI-driven Galaxy era, one that connects your phone, watch, tablet, and even your Galaxy Buds into a smarter, more personalized ecosystem. So yeah, One UI 9 isn't here yet, but it's coming faster than most people think. With development already underway, leaks surfacing, and Samsung's history of launching early betas, there's a strong chance we'll get our first official look sooner than expected. And when that happens, it might just redefine what the Galaxy experience feels like. If you're hyped for this update, hit that like button right now. It helps a lot. And if you're new here, subscribe to stay ahead of all the upcoming leaks, betas, and updates around One UI 9 and beyond. Tell me in the comments, what feature do you want Samsung to improve the most this time? I'm reading them all. That's it for today. This is Sam signing off. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.